Just like Thailand and Bali, Cambodia has a bunch of mopeds, and here you definitely gotta watch out for the cars, because unlike America, where the cars look out for you, you have to look out for the cars. Made it back to the peak, and I just got word that my suitcase is here. So right now I'm mixing my pre-workout with my aminos, and I'm pairing it with this water called cuisines. I appreciate any place that has a nice gym. One thing I love about traveling is Anthony Bourdain. So I look up to this guy, just being able to travel the world, trying all different types of food, and this place that I found by accident because I went to the wrong restaurant. It's so good. I just did the Cambodian Genocide Museum, and man, I was so excited to go to the place until I got there, and you're learning so much about Cambodian history, and it's just so sad. So I've been to Angkor Wat 5 times, and today's very special. Actually gonna watch the sunrise over Angkor Wat. When you come to Siem Reap, there's so many temples here that I didn't realize before. And this is one of my favorite ones. It's here in Beayon, originally called Prom, and it's the temple with the 4 heads that you see. Good morning from Siem Reap, Cambodia. I'm here at the hillocks. This is definitely one of my most favorite places to stay. I just love these beautiful walkways they got here, and then you're surrounded by nature. Right now, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. After a 9-hour drive from Siem Reap, I finally made it to the elephant sanctuary. And when I got up here, I heard these Cambodians spoke a different dialect, which I have never heard before.
So when this project started in 2006, it started as a mobile vet team. So they just started going out and offering vet assistance to the different elephants in Mondulkiri province.
We finally made it to the elephants. It was about a 40-minute hike. Oh my gosh, he is so big. Behind me, his name is Red, but in Cambodian it's Gaham, and he's the gentleman that's guiding us through this forest because he knows it like the back of his hand. Brother Red was telling me that my question was, how do they eat all the tree leaves in the forest? And he told me that they only eat what they like. So if they can eat it, they'll eat it. If they don't like it, they won't eat it. So kind of just like us humans. Good morning. Night 1 is in the books. Right now I'm in the study room. They got their libraries, lounge chairs, and then you got this beautiful view right behind me. The kitchen's upstairs, so you have to take these steps. To go to the room, I have to walk down these steps all the way down to that red bungalow. You enter, ooh, there was like a huge insect. That's a little door. You gotta actually watch your head and then open it and crawl in. I'm gonna show you inside, how it looks inside right now. So this is how the inside of the room looks. You got the bed with the mosquito nest. This is how my bathroom looks like. You got the toilet. You gotta manually flush it yourself, get the water, pour it in, and then the shower head and the sink. I also don't want to forget to mention that you're gonna have to take cold showers here, so get ready for that. So this is day 2 of seeing more elephants, and I just want to give you a background story about our tour guide. His name is Keo. He's 24 years of age. He spent a year in mahout, which is who the elephants listen to, I guess, for a better word. But during that time, that year's time, he was a mahout. He did not know English, so he was learning English as he was doing this tour. He would hear people speak English and slowly just picked up the language. So now he's our guide through this whole park, and it's just an amazing story, you know. I thought that was just fascinating, and I want to share that with you guys.